Hello, welcome to an exciting series. In today's series, we'll be solving a practical problem in mathematics, substitution into formula. Right, so let's delve into it. So the question states that calculate the value of C in the expression C equals b squared minus a squared divided by 10d, where b equals 20, a equals 10, and d equals 3. Right, so let's solve for C. So the preamble of the question gives the expression as C equals b squared minus a squared divided by 10d, where b equals 20, a equals 10, and d equals 3. So when we insert the values into the expression, we are going to get C equals to 20 squared minus 10 squared divided by 10 multiplying 3. Right, so 20 square is giving us 20 multiplying 20, or 20 times 20, right? So 20 times 20 will give you 400, okay, and 10 square is seen as 10 multiplying itself, 10 times 10, which is equal to 100, right? And 10 multiplying 3 is seen as 10 times 3, and 10 multiplying 3 is seen as 10 times 3, which is equal to 30. So now we have the values right now from simplifying the expression. So C is then giving us 400 minus 100 divided by 30. 400 minus 100 would give you 300. So C is equal to 400 minus 100 divided by 30, which is going to give you C as 300 divided by 30. Hence C equals 10.